I mean, come on, Vivo X300 Pro is one among the best phone that has been released in 2025. So there are very slight little problem with Vivo X300 Pro. So let's start quickly. First of all, Gadgetbyte. What you like about Vivo X300 Pro is portrait are stunning, better than 17 Pro. There are two dedicated chips for photos, PS1 for pre-processing and Win3 Plus chip for post-processing. 200 megapixel telephoto is good, macro is great, zoom is great till 10 times zoom, and telephoto is faster and sharper than 17 Pro. Awesome video, solid stabilization, and design is good. Screen is amazing. Dolby Vision support. Dimensity 9500, almost on par with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. And Origin OS is good. 6500 mAh battery. I mean, it's a flagship level phone, so there are not as many dislikes. This is just slightly little problems that were with Vivo X300 Pro. So basically, when you zoom too much, photo becomes a little bit dizzy, and vivid mode is too punchy. Ultrawide has same sensor as last time. It is narrower than 17 Pro. It struggles with tricky and lighting condition. Also slightly top heavy. OnePlus 15 feels better, and it's also slightly short on single core and GPU benchmark compared to Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Origin operating system is not as good as Oxygen, and also sound and bass could have been better. Next one on our list is Techspert. Techspert said that it's very lovely, soft touch finish, pre-installed screen protector, ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, and what else he liked was phased position is fast as hell, and Apple style float island is very handy. Also, it supports HDR10, HDR10 plus, Dolby Vision. ZEISS Master color panel are incredible. Two speakers are good, insanely good with gaming experience with Dimensity 9500. It stays very cool while gaming. Battery is stellar, 7 hours of heavy use and still left with 25 and 30% battery. 90 watts of charger. It comes within the box. Camera are best of the best. One among the best smartphone cameras that he has ever experienced. And camera has better details, better low light performance, 4K 120 FPS recording. Front is absolutely incredible at 4K 60 FPS. As for dislikes, TechPert didn't like that it follows somewhat same design as iPhone, and also Origin OS is buggy at times, and Island doesn't pop up sometimes. Island is glitchy, basically the floating island that is on the top of the phone. And also sometimes when subject is moving, it causes photos to be a little bit dizzy. Otherwise, it is one of the best phones he has ever experienced. Now, as for GSMArena, he said that phone feels quite premium in hand. Shortcut button on the side is good. Display is sharp with pixel density of 452 ppi. And stereo speakers are loud and clean. Operating system is built to fill the gap between Android and iPhone. 5 major operating system release and 7 year of security update. That's what Vivo is claiming for this phone. Score multi-core about 10,264 and Antutu score about 3.5 million. The unit that GSMArena had was the European version of Vivo X300 Pro, which had smaller battery, and he charged this entire phone in about half an hour. And also what he liked was cameras are amazing, maintain good highlight, good exposure, details are good, skin tone is good. During day and night, this performs extremely well. Also, telephoto is great at different zoom levels, support 4K 60 FPS, 4K 120 FPS, and even 8K with main camera. As for dislike, GSMArena really didn't like that sound quality isn't as impressive compared to other flagships, and also it doesn't support any microSD card. Also, there is steep decline in throttle by 50% at max performance, which is very weird. Battery is 5440 mAh in Europe compared to other places. Also, in low light, 4K is little bit softer than what other competitor offers. Ultra wide is slightly noisy. In the end, he said that the issue that is worth mentioning is that battery is very low. I mean, it's still 5000 mAh battery, but still at times where our other phone, flagship level phone offers 6000 or 7000 mAh battery, 5000 is lagging behind. Now coming to Supersaf, and he basically said he didn't really dislike anything, but at the same time, this video was actually partnership with Vivo that he made. He said it premium feels, nice master color display. Now Origin operating system is available everywhere in the world, so there is no one touch operating system. Touch experience is very smooth with Dimensity 9500 resulting in 33% faster GPU, 32% faster CPU, and 111% faster NPU and 42% less GPU power consumption. And also cameras are incredibly good, and sharing between Vivo and iPhone is very easy with now with easy share. You can basically tap and share everything, and cameras are again extremely amazing. Cameras are extremely detailed, good zoom, videos are great as well. Now, as for dislike, he didn't dislike anything, but this video was in partnership with Vivo, so that is something to consider. And as for unbox therapy, what he really liked was stabilization. He mentioned this again and again that stabilization is one among the best that he has experienced in a smartphone. And also he mentioned that there are two pro imaging chip, which is V3 Plus and VS1, which are pre-processing and post-processing chips. And also the charger comes within the box. It is a 90-watt charger, which is extremely good. Also, when he clicked photos and he checked videos, there are insane amount of details in both photos and videos. Video quality is absolutely amazing. And Unbox Selfie spent a lot of time talking about attachable lens that comes with Vivo, but it is something that is sold separately. It's not comes within the box of Vivo X300 Pro. But this attachable lens is extremely amazing. As for dislike, what he disliked was small amount of distortion in corner, very small amount of, and also there's a little bit of motion blur in Vivo X300 Pro. Another creator is Smashpop. Now Smashpop also only focused on cameras and operating system. He said that there are many videos telling about specs, so he only wanted to focus on camera and operating system that he really liked. He said that AI filter is insanely good. Basically, you can change seasons in different modes, maybe autumn, maybe spring. There is another feature that he really liked was people removing. Basically, when you take photos, you don't need to edit people out of the photo. You can directly take photo and remove people in the photo taken. Snapchat also said that macro photos are insanely good. Portrait videos is like cinematic mode in iPhone. Also, it's very easy to share with iPhone. Vivo X300 Pro also offer a photographic kit which is consisting of lens and some other tools which are amazing as well. As for dislike, he only thing that I can find that he disliked was AI zoom can mess up the zoom on words trying to adjust image. Basically, what happens when you zoom in on a Vivo X300 Pro, AI try to adjust it so that photo become less dizzy or less blurry. So what it does is when you're zooming on words, AI try to adjust photo, which result in really messing up the words. So he also preferred that you only try to zooming on sceneries or buildings, but not try to focus on little words. Team has seen many camera comparison between Vivo X300 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro, Oppo Find X9 Pro, and Samsung S25 Ultra. And so far, what we have seen, Vivo X300 Pro definitely has better camera. It captures better details in daytime, and it has better performance at nighttime as well. We can say that Vivo X300 Pro perform better overall in camera as compared to iPhone 17 Pro or Samsung S25 Ultra. Now this is only summary of all the popular reviews that I gathered. If you want to watch full videos, link is in the description. Please go check out their channels. Please subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much.